Hello everyone, my name's Chris, and welcome to my Java programming tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn all the ins and outs of Java, as well as object-oriented programming in general. Let's get right into it. I'm first going to show you how to set up your Java programming environment. If you've already installed the necessary software, feel free to use the timestamps in the description to skip ahead. First, we will download Eclipse. Eclipse is what's known as an IDE, or Integrated Development Environment. While there are many Java IDEs out there, Eclipse is the best and most powerful one, in my opinion. This will be the program we will use to write our code. You can use the link in the description to download. Next, we will install the JDK, or Java Development Kit. This is a collection of software packages, or code that has already been written, that we can use as a sort of toolkit for writing our own programs. Once again, this link is available in the description. Upon unzipping and launching Eclipse, you will be asked to select a workspace. This is simply a folder used to store your code written in Eclipse, and you can select any folder you wish, or just create a default folder. After opening Eclipse, you want to prepare your window. Close out of the Welcome tab to bring up the main display. Then, go to the Quick Access search bar in the top right and search for Console. Adding the console will allow us to better interact with our programs and let us print text to the screen. Let's create our first program. Click on File, New, and Java Project. Name the project whatever you'd like. Make sure you have some version of Java SE selected next to Execution Environment JRE, and hit Finish. Double-click on the project and right-click on the source folder. This folder will contain all the code used when running our program. Select New, then Package, and name it. While you can use most words in naming the package, there are some restrictions to the naming here, so you can just name it YouTube to be safe. Right-click on the package, and this time, create a new class. Again, there are naming restrictions, so you can just name it YouTube to be safe. Be sure to select this top checkbox, then hit Finish. Delete this green text and type system.out.println, followed by parentheses, a message in quotes, and a semicolon. Hit Run, and you should see your message appear in the console. While you will learn in this tutorial all the words and symbols in this simple program, let's go ahead and do a quick overview of what's going on here. The package we created is simply a subfolder of the source folder, used to hold our program code. If you were to open the project folder in your workspace, you would find a folder inside it called YouTube that looks just like any other folder. The class we created is a little more than just a folder, but for now you can just think of it as a container for our code. Inside the class is the class declaration, used to tell Java that we have code contained inside of it. Here is what's called the main method. It's basically the first function that gets called within our program, and it's where the program execution begins. The line inside of that is what is printing our message to the console. This is all you need to understand for now, but like I said, I will be going over every part of what's in this code throughout the tutorial. Feel free to add more print statements below your first with new messages. Try to see what you can do, as well as what works and what doesn't work. That's everything for this episode. Next episode we will be talking more about the print function, as well as creating variables and doing mathematical operations. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.